everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related content, so hi, it's lovely to have you here. Today's video is on the BH Cosmetics 90s Remix Dance Palette. Now my lovely friends got me this, well they never got me this, they got me a voucher for Beauty Bay for my birthday, and I was torn between this one and the Big Revolution Cloud palette, but they kind of talked me into this one because I think they wanted to see a review on it, so this is the one that I've got. So we're going to be testing this out today. I'm glad to get back filming a makeup video. I've just been, maybe I'll do another video like a wee get ready with me or something and fill you in what's been happening, but this is what the inside looked like. They came out with 3 of these. They came out with an 80s, a 90s and a noughties, and this is what this one looks like. I have swatched it just because I couldn't help myself, but it's got some gorgeous neutrals at the top, and then it's got a row of mattes, and then each matte has a kind of corresponding shimmer, which I think is, it's a lovely layout. It's a nice kind of curated palette. It's not like the big XX Revolution one. It's like hundreds of different ones of the same colour. But I think I'll just do swatches for you. I don't always do swatches, but I think I should do some swatches of this one. So we'll try and do it here. I'm not the best at doing these, and I'm hoping that I've shaved my underarms. So I will go across each row like this, and I will tell you the names as I'm doing it. So the first one is a shimmer, and it is called Supermodel. It's this lovely kind of white frosty shimmer. And then we have another shimmer called Be My Lover. So these are all kind of names of songs from the 90s, and look at that shimmer, like that is stunning. I hope the camera's picking that up well enough. And then we have 3 matte browns. So the first one is called Jiggy. Now this is your transition colour, so it might not show up. Oh well, okay. It has shown up. And then we've got Wannabe. Wow, look at the pigment in them. The only BH palette I've tried is the Desert Oasis and the Blueberry Muffin. And then we have No Scrubs. Now this one is very, very soft. There are some gorgeous neutrals. Like, this is a good kind of do it all kind of palette because you've got those basic neutrals and then you've got some fun colours. Next we're going into the row of mattes. So I think what I'll actually do from now on is do the matte and then do the corresponding shimmer next to it. So this one is called Genie. It'd be nice. There we go. The camera's a bit, the lighting's a bit bright for that one, but it's lovely. And then the shimmer is called I'm Blue. I mean, look at that shimmer, that's stunning. And then we have Hit Me Baby. And then the matte to go with, the shimmer to go with that is called Creep. And then the kind of orangey peach is called Can't Touch. These are so pigmented. And then Too Sexy is the shimmer. I do like a nice orange shimmer. And then we have a pink called Heartbreaker. I mean, that's not really pastel, is it? That's like a bright, it does look a bit more pastel in the pan. Oops, destroying the place here. And then the shimmer is called Show Me Love. So pretty. And then the green we have is Say My Name. And then the green shimmer is called La Vida Loca. I mean, that's impressive, right? I have got absolutely no idea what kind of look that I'm going to do, but we'll come up with something. So I will just go and prime my eyes with whatever primer I grab first, and then we'll be back zoomed in to do the look. Okay, I'm back. I've primed my eyes with MAC Paint Box. That's my favourite primer. I've just tried to do a look and it didn't work out, but that's not the palette's fault. It was me just trying to use like all the shades. So we will try again, but I think I know what I want to do because I'm trying not to use the greens, but I think that I will. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe put the kind of pinks on the crease and then the green on the lid. I think that might look quite cool. So I'm just going to take the colour Heartbreaker on a kind of brush like this. So Heartbreaker's the kind of pink, and I'm going to put this on the kind of outer part. Now this one is a nice colour, it's nice and pigmented. Put this on the outer part, and we will cut this out and make it look neater. I'm going to take it probably to there. I'm going to blend in a minute, I'm just getting the shape down, and then I'm going to take the one next to it called Can't Touch, which is a kind of peachier colour, just in the same brush, and use this on the inner part. These are powdery shades, but I don't mind that if they're good, and I mean they are good. And then, so that I'm using a different colour, I will take the kind of lilac called Be My Baby, and I will use my wee Morphe brush and use that to blend this up here. And look at how quick and easy that is to do. Like these are kind of nice shades, so I'm just going to go back in with them again just to intensify them. On a different brush apparently, because that's the one I've just picked up. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut my crease with my cut crease canvas, and then I will be back in a wee second to do the shimmer on the lid. Okay, so that is me kind of cut my crease. So I don't know which shimmer to use. Like the temptation would be to use the purple and the pinks, but I kind of want to use that bright green because it is like nothing else. But this colour here is also stunning. So what one should we use? Let's do it. Let's use the bright green. I don't think I've ever used anything quite like that. So I'm going to take some on my finger and just put some of that on. That is gorgeous. Do you know what I'll do? I'll keep this focused here, and then I'll put that other green kind of on the outer corner. So I'm just going to use my finger just to place it down. I'll get a wee brush like this and just take this on that brush just to get more preciseness right up here. Isn't that stunning? Feeling like this is maybe turned out more of a kind of 80s look. But never mind. And then we're going to take some of the colour called Iron Blue and just hope this works. Oh, and that's another beautiful colour. And then what I'll do is I'll use those corresponding mattes on the lower lash line. So again, just placing it down, then getting that wee brush and just using this for preciseness and to kind of blend into that lighter green. And then on this outer corner, let's just take some more of that pink just to kind of merge that in. Going a wee bit patchy there, and that's turning purple, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that shimmer all the way over. I made a slight mistake, so I'm just going to cut this out again, and I will put the shimmer all the way over before going over with that matte to make that purple. I make mistakes all the time when I'm doing my eyeshadow. Don't let me try and fool you otherwise. that's just part of the game, and it's about not worrying too much about it and just fixing it. Everything can be fixed, it's only makeup. Don't worry about it. So let me just place some more of that concealer there. I'm going to take some more of that pink just here. Let's make it purple. And then I'll take that brush that had that purple on it. Sorry, that green. And I will pull this all the way over. To this outer corner, and then hope this works. I will go in with my brush, I'll just wipe it off, take up some more of that matte pink and just pop it on, and it's making that nice purple colour. Okay, see? Accident, happy accident, one might say. Okay, so that isn't the neatest thing in the world, but that is fine. I'm going to attempt to do the other side, and I'll do my face makeup on and we'll come back to do the lower lash line. So the rest of my makeup is done. So it's time to do the lower lash line now. What do I do? I think we will, got to do the pink. So we'll do the pink into this blue and then into the green maybe. See how this works. So back in with my wee kind of flat brush, and let's just put some of the pink and mix that with some of the kind of lilac-y matte. Just to line up with this outer corner. And then let's do the one called Genie that matches that gorgeous kind of turquoisey shimmer. So let's go in with that Genie colour. Just rough just now, and then wipe that off, and then in with the green matte called Say My Name. I always think colours aren't ever as bright in the lower lash line just because it's usually kind of set. Okay. I feel like a bit of a clown, but this is like a kind of arty look. Let's just go with that. And then I will just wipe off my wee Morphe in 582 so there's nothing else on it, and just run that along the bottom a wee bit. And then for the inner corner, let's go in with this colour called Supermodel. That is so bright. Just a tiny bit up here, too much. Okay, so that is the eyes just about done. I'm going to go and do the other lower lash line, put some lashes on and a lipstick. I'm kind of thinking I have to do a bright pink, don't I? I'll be back to show you the final look and tell you what I thought of the palette. Here we have it, the finished look. The eyelashes are these magnetic ones that I got sent from, what's the name of the company? Chicknetic. So I have got a video coming on them soon. I just need to edit it and get it up. But these are the finished eyes. Like, the shimmers are unbelievable. I'll just zoom you out. Yeah, what do we think? I feel like I could have went a bit brighter in my lipstick, but this is the one that was handy, so this is the one that I put on. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased actually how this turns out. Like, I wouldn't go out like this like to the pub or anything like that, but I think it's turned out really pretty. I think, like, I have tried to use as many of the colours as I could, so obviously you don't have to go as outrageous with this as I have. You could do like a neutral look or like neutral with a pop of colour. There's actually a few things you could do with this. Part of me does think, could I be doing with kind of like darker colourful mattes, but that's not what the palette is. This palette is a fun palette. The names, it says on here, like, read, if you want to be with my lover, you got, if you want to be my lover, you got to get with my look. Like, I just think the theme of this palette is so cool, and I think it's turned out so fun. Like, it's, yeah, it's fun. That's what it is. The colours all worked so well. So impressed with the formula. It is a wee bit crumbly, some of the shimmers. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't bother me. Sometimes a crumbly shimmer is a good shimmer, and I think that's exactly what it is. So yeah, let me know what you think of the look. Let me know if you've picked this palette up, and let me know if I should pick up the other ones, because after testing this one, I'm definitely tempted to get the other two ones. They had the 90's one and the 80's one. I think this is actually quite an 80's look. Like, to me, 90's is more kind of like your kind of cooler toned browns. But this is what I've done. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video and you stayed to the end, thank you very much. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love if you would do so. So that is all for me. So bye.